Hey friends, if you encounter the error the best driver software is already installed on your Windows 11 computer while trying to update the drivers, then please watch this video. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Let's say you had to update the camera driver, so you right clicked on it, selected update drivers and search automatically for drivers. But the message is the best drivers or for your device are already installed and you're not satisfied. So simply right click on it and select uninstall device and uninstall it. Okay, now click on action and scan for hardware changes, or right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and restart it. In that case, it will again reinstall the latest and best drivers on your system. And other than this, right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.